Professional Advantage Advanced Inquiry allows users to make inquiries against Infor SunSystems ledger data and works for both on-premise and Infor SunSystems cloud deployments. Users can access the solution through a web-based interface and within the home screen are able to save inquiries into different sections in order to run them whenever they require. A user can add sections to the system and have as many inquiries as they like in each section. Additionally, on the left-hand side, we have folders that can be set up to contain inquiries that you may wish to use in the future but do not want on your home screen. And these folders can also be controlled to allow other users access to inquiries that you have created. To run a new inquiry, go to the top left menu and run Ledger Inquiry. This function will then open a set of criteria that allows you to choose the information relevant to your inquiry based on SunSystems information fields. Inquiries can be run against any business unit that you have set up within SunSystems, and an inquiry can either be a summary inquiry giving you balances based on your balance category, or a detailed inquiry that will extract transactional information based on your criteria. In this case, I will run a summary inquiry by account. I though could change this to be a summary by any other field within the SunSystems ledger table, such as period or maybe transaction type. Users can fill in further criteria, such as account-based information, ranges of accounts, name of account, transactional-based information, such as periods, conversion codes, references, that sort of thing, or moving across the various tabs, we can choose things around journals, dates, allocations, and even account analysis and asset analysis if that's relevant. In this case, I'm going to run a summary inquiry against UKD for all accounts in the business unit. The system then provides a list of all accounts with corresponding account balances, and as you can see, it is very rapid. We can drill into information held in any of these accounts by double-clicking on the amount field. This then moves us to a new query tab, and we can jump between the original tab and the new tab very easily. In the results grid, we are able to move columns around to suit the user's requirements, and of course we can choose different columns and add them and remove them if needed. We have filter options on each column that allows you to select particular data across multiple columns. And additionally, we can filter up and down by any of the columns and group them where required by dragging the column header into the top area. So here I now have the balance by account, but I could decide perhaps to do this by period, for example. This is very useful. It allows you to create balance data on the fly for different criteria as needed. From the journal line, we can drill directly into the details in a form view, clicking across the tabs to see all information held within the SunSystems journal. And if required, we can drill to the complete information related to a specific journal. So here you can see that I have journals sitting within account 21,000, for example, journal number 430. If I click the journal option from the top menu, I now get the complete line detail for journal 430 across all accounts that may have hit. We do not have to predefine any of these drills, making it very intuitive and easy to find information that you may require. We also have a chart view within the system. This allows us to take a set of information within the grid and build a chart on the fly for that information. Advanced Inquiry is a very powerful solution that allows you to make quick and easy inquiries against SunSystems information. It's also something that's suitable to be deployed out to many users within the organization.